I wanted to show you that I went ahead and got these put on, and I have these as dollops put on. So the reason I do that is so that you can keep it kind of shaped and curved and not laying flat. So I lay it in place, and then I kind of slide it to the top. And you see how that touched? But that you don't have the silicone oozing out. And if you're not careful, if you press on them, then you can get the silicone coming out. So I would take your thing and just kind of push it like that, and then you can pick it back up as it's drying to get it to lift. And then I would use parts of the print to see if you got it lined up. So you have this branch, so you know that's lined up there. That tree's lined up there, so you can line the pieces up. Okay, so let me show you with this piece, a couple ways to do your dollops. One good way is with a tool that's called an awl. So you just go like this, and you can cut it, and then you can kind of place it. And then that gives you a little bit more control. Because you do want the silicone so it can give it some lift and not lay it flat, but you don't want the silicone to ooze out the side. And if you use regular glue, then you won't be able to get the shape that you're after. So you see how I did that one there? And then on this bottom piece, you just want a little bit smaller dollop. And just put it right there. And see, this one I might be a little bit concerned oozing out, so I'm going to take some of that off. Now the other thing with your silicone is we also sell these, so if you need one, just let us know. This key, which helps keep your silicone all pushed down. All right. So let me show you now, when I place this one, how this would work. So you could take your finger again and kind of round it off. And try not to do that. And then you can place it again using the guides that you have or the tree. Okay. No. And then you can take your tool, since this one's dried, or drying and holding its shape, you can pull it back up. There we go. See how I'm getting that lift on it after it's kind of drying? And then you want to slide this one just up under there. So now I want to show you something else that's happened. Because we've shaped this, our pieces are getting kind of smaller, right? So here, we have this place that's going to go here. We're going to have to cut another piece and just tuck it there. So I want this one over here. So I'm going to hold off, and I'm going to go back and cut another piece and just tuck it in. And that's actually allows it to have its shape, but also have the height in there too.